Welcome everybody to an add-on video. These are add-ons. I just picked up a couple stuff here. So I picked up a Pearl Jam. Matter of fact, let me open this. Let's see what this thing talking about here. It's brand new. Similar to Rock Lobster. Pearl Jam. It's a big cake. It's a big cake. .42 shot. It's a nice wrap. Pretty cool. Snoop Dogg. DJ Snoop Dogg. Buddy Spawn Kill. What else I got over here that's new? More Blueberry. Master All Color All Thunders. What else I got here? Witch Hazel. What else I got here? 300 shot Saturn Missile. Another Snoop. Had to re-up on another Maggot. Master Opera. I got another Master Opera. Look what we have here. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3. Another Snoop. Dragon Ball Z. Gatling gun refills. And we got some new shells right here too, man. Illumination 6-inch. Smoking Alien. Got some Groots. Some Ganjas. Lancaster 240 shot. This cake is super heavy. Super heavy. Yeah, man. Still got that Colossus over there. What else I got over there? Front Reapers. Psychedelic is down there. Yeah, man. So just a couple add-ons. Like, comment, and subscribe. VA Power out.